how to put time restrictions on app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can put time restrictions on apps, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to put time restrictions on apps, every Android phone should have this feature by default. You don't have to download any third-party applications to do this. When you open up the settings app on your Android phone, on my Samsung phone I have an option called digital well-being and parental controls. As I repeat, every Android phone should definitely have this feature. So when you go to digital well-being and parental controls, by default you will see option called app timers. So I can tap on app timers here. For one, I've currently added an app timer, but I can also increase it by tapping the plus icon here. Then I can choose the other apps for which I want an app timer. So let's say I want for Google Photos, I'll select that. I'll tap on set timer. I can choose an hour and a minute depending upon what is it. So if I want for half an hour, I can select 1 hour 30 minutes only. Then I can tap on done. Then I'll be able to go ahead and then basically set an app timer. This way I can put the app restrictions on Android. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.